Hello and welcome to my listing on eBay today. Today I'm listing a starter motor for a Kawasaki ZX 900 starter motor. Has been tested and working. Come off I believe a 99 Kawasaki. But there's the starter motor with the earth lead. Working and tested. The cameraman's gone a bit daft at me because I keep moving about so much. But as hopefully you can see,
it's a bargain.
So here we have a Kawasaki ZX 900 starter motor. It's on a buy it now price, but with all my listings, if you think I'm charging too much, then call the number below and make me a sensible offer. I'm an easy man to deal with, so you never know your luck. Check the feedback. That says it all. So, happy bidding.